Hi everyone, it's Rita from Miss Rita to the Rescue. By now you've probably seen Ashish Arora, the CEO for Cricut, and he just unveiled this amazing new product, and it is a brand new product. There is nothing else like it on the market. I am guaranteed. I have seen this myself. It is called Infusible Ink, and it's only by Cricut. Infusible Ink. Now, a lot of people have been trying to guess what this is. They want to say that it's sublimation printing. Perhaps you've heard of sublimation printing, perhaps you haven't, but this is not sublimation printing. This is its own brand new technology by Team Cricut, and this stuff is amazing. It comes in sheets as well as in these wonderful pens, and they come in 2 different sizes, these pens, and the sheets are great. They come in this box, right? And it shows you you get 4 12 by 12 sheets, and this particular one has a black and it has a red, and then it has 2 different floral prints on the sheets. Now, what is this? Is it ink? Is it messy? Or am I gonna make a mess of myself? It is, again, it is its own technology. The sheets themselves kind of look like, when you open them up, this is actually the black, okay? So when you open them up, you're thinking, did I buy like the wrong thing? Why is this not the color that I wanted it to be? That's where your easy press comes in. Your easy press needs to be, you need to have a press. It doesn't have to be a Cricut Easy Press, but this is what's recommended. This is a Cricut Ecosystem. I don't know how it's pronounced, but I will tell you that it's designed all as one group of products. And the reason being is that they obviously needed to test this at great length and great detail. And so for them, it was easier to test on and to create a product that everything was synergistic, that worked together. And so what that means is that this product will only work with the blanks, or I call them substrates, but you know, you can, I don't care what you call them, blanks, substrates, whatever, that only work with a Cricut product. Now this is a t-shirt that I made, and I want to get in close and show you this. Do you see this? Okay. There is nothing that distinguishes, you know, when you use HTV or whatever you want to call it, iron-on HTV, it's got a crunchiness to it, some kind of like a feel, like you can feel it. And when you wash it, there's a possibility that it's going to peel or lift, and that's so embarrassing. It's so embarrassing, and if you're a business owner, it's also not so great, right? And so there's always that concern. One of the reasons why I've never really done my own t-shirt business is that I'm just concerned that it might lift. Well, I don't have to be now. And I'm going to show you, this is up a little closer. Okay, so this is a piece of fabric, and I want to show you, look, stretch, get in real close, show you, there is no seam. It will not peel. I mean, you could try, you probably ruin the fabric before it peels off. I mean, seriously, this is as close to professionally perfect as you can get, folks. There is nothing that's crafty about this product. It is really professional. It's amazing, amazing results, amazing lasting and wearing. You are going to be, I dropped it, but you are going to be absolutely blown away with that. And I'm blown away, I gotta tell you. So, listen, I'm going to come out with a series of videos. This is just my, yay, it's been announced. I've been holding it in for over a month now, and I'm so glad I can finally talk about it. So my lips have been sealed for all this time. But this is my just sort of announcement. I'm going to be showing you step by step how this works. I'm going to show you how the ink sheets, the Infusible Ink sheets work. I'm going to show you how the pens work. I'm going to show you all of the steps, step by step, how this works. And the rollout is going to be in Michael's at the beginning, and then it will roll out to the rest of the world. But that was on purpose. It's so that they can control and reach as many of us crafters as possible. These are just, I don't know, it just blows me away at how amazing this product is. I cannot wait to just show you all the little details. So please stay tuned and get excited. This is a new technology. It's a game changer. You're gonna love it. I guarantee you're gonna love this product. So stay tuned here at the official Cricut website, which is infusibleinc.com. There's also a hashtag Infusible Ink. And then also there's obviously there's a Cricut homepage, and there's the Cricut Facebook page, and also on all the product experts pages, myself included, that's just going to be showing you how wonderful this product is, how great it is, how it's going to work for you, and how amazed you're going to be. So stay tuned, and we're coming right back at you with a bunch of really awesome stuff.